On August 14th, James Whitey Bulger's lawyers will begin the process they hope will lead to a retrial. The notorious Boston gangster right now is serving a life sentence in Arizona after he was found guilty on charges in connection with 11 murders along with other crimes. We have attorney Michael Coyne, the dean of the Massachusetts School of Law, joining us this morning. Thanks for being with us on this Friday.
Thanks, Bridget.
I know there are a number of circumstances that require a retrial, but in this case, Bulger's attorneys are just filing an appeal. What grounds are they appealing on?
The most significant grounds are that they believe that Judge Casper erred when she didn't allow him to present what is called his license to kill defense. His main argument on appeal is that the former U.S. Attorney's Office in Boston authorized him to commit various criminal acts in order to eliminate La Cosa Nostra, the North End Mafia, the New England Mafia, because they saw them as a bigger threat than his organized crime activities.
You're talking about his claim of immunity, right?
Yes, that's correct, Bridget.
So what would change this time around for a judge in a higher court to say, oh yeah, you're right, you should have been allowed to do that, let's do this all over again?
Well, great question. Very little, frankly. They would have to find that Judge Casper erred when she did it. But more importantly here, and more likely more dispositive, is Mr. Fleming tried the very same defense. His defense actually had more success at the trial level than it did on appeal. But when the appellate level looked at his similar argument that the U.S. Attorney's Office had authorized these activities, the appellate court said no, that wasn't possible, because if someone within the office actually did authorize it, they would never have had the authority to give such widespread immunity on these serious criminal charges.
So it sounds to me like you're thinking that there won't be a retrial granted.
I don't see there'll be a retrial granted. I think the Red Sox have a better chance of winning the World Series this year.
Wow, that is a bold statement from Michael Coyne. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.